Hello everybody and welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel I share with you all of my budgeting faux pas so that you don't make the same mistakes that I did, and I show you how I'm going about trying to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Words cannot express it. And if you're new here, pull up a seat and stay a while. We're glad to have you. Today we are going to budget my paycheck for August 11th. Pretty happy about this one. So I'm going to use the blue pen today so it's a little easier to see the distinction between the two. My actual paycheck amount was $136.53. That is phenomenal. It means that everything that's already here is covered and we have some extra. So let's flip over and look at what our excess income plan says we should do with this money. We don't have a whole lot of room down here this time, so let's just go right up underneath here. 811 YMCA paycheck 136.53. We had already budgeted $80, and we know right off the bat that the buffer is getting the 53 cents. So when I subtract that out, I am left with $56. And of course, I don't know if you all can see this. Let me scoot this down so that you guys can see. We have stuff in the variable income budget that needs to be covered. So we're going to start out with Microsoft 365 for $6. That takes care of that one. Miscellaneous is $10. That takes care of that one. We've got, I scooted that up so that you guys can see better. We've got birthdays is $11. So that's going to take care of that one. Car maintenance. This is not pretty, but that's okay. It's $13. Valentine's Day is going to be $8, and that's only going to leave us $8. So appliances is going to get $8, and I don't have, see, let's put the $8 here. I don't have a pencil with me. Normally I do this in pencil, but I guess I'll have to scratch it out. So I'm going to put $8, and then that leaves us with $3 remaining as we go forward, and that will take us down to 0, which means we have made a plan. I don't even know if you can see all of this. There we go. That means that we have made a plan for all of the dollars that's coming in on the 11th. And I need to, up here at the top, MCA. So we're applying $56 toward that. So it got, quite a bit of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to put them into my budget. So again, we have no fixed expenses. So that means $136.53 is going to carry over. All of this stuff is going to be covered, but we need to add buffer 0.53 and miscellaneous of 10. So we've got 7, 16, 16, and 15. And that's going to add up to be $64.53 because we added $10.53 to what was already there. And when you subtract $64.53 from $136.53, you get $72. And so over here we need to add Microsoft 365 for $6, birthdays for 11, car maintenance, which took a hit last month, is getting 13, Valentine is gonna get 8, and appliances is gonna get 8. And so these just carry over because they weren't touched by the adjustments that we made, and all of this added together comes out to be $72. So we have budgeted every penny of the paycheck. I'm going to apply this to the spreadsheet that I keep in my wallet so that I can determine how much I need to pull out for the cash stuffing for you guys. So be on the lookout for that one. That'll be the next video. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. I will see you all next time. Have a great couple of days, everybody. Bye.